Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial you will learn how to measure the area on Google Earth really quickly and without any technical skills whatsoever. So let us get started. So head over to Google Earth, access via Google Chrome for example. And what you want to do after that, guys, is click on that ruler icon here at the top to activate the measure distance and area feature. And after that, simply set your starting point. So let us go, for example, with that location here. Let me zoom in a bit. So let us start here, for example, at that location. After that, set your second point, which would be, for example, that location here. And after that, simply keep connecting these points or locations. So let us, for example, head over or set the next point here at that location. And finalize this by closing the triangle, for example, here by clicking on your initial or starting point again. And that is going to close the shape and also calculate this area or measured it area in miles, as you can see, and quarter miles here, as you can see. So you may, for example, if you live in Europe or outside US, you may change the unit system, of course. To do that, simply click on that gear icon here in the top right corner. Scroll down a bit in your settings, and here under formats and units, simply switch from imperial unit system in feet and miles to metric in meters and kilometers. Click on done to apply this. And as you can see now, that area is calculated or measured in kilometers or square kilometers. And that should do it, guys. That's how you measure areas or area in Google Earth. Thanks for watching and see you next time.